Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have this new video where we're going to test a wool from my recent wool haul. I went to Teddy and I bought this really cute wool. It's kind of dark, almost black, with this cute little Gimp thread that has these nice little fluffs on here that are really colorful. And so I'm going to make this into a nice triangle scarf. It's very simple. It's made with chain stitches and single stitches. It's really nice pattern. How I did this, I'm going to show you now. Have fun. Okay guys, so this is the wool. It's called Confetti. It was $1.55 and maybe you saw this in my Teddy haul. It's 50 grams and 50 meters long. It's basically a black wool with a Gimp thread that's very colorful and has these little fluffs like these ones. And it has this nice color fade. It's 80% polyacrylic, 20% polyester, and it's meant for size 5 to 8 crocheting hooks. So I'm gonna do this with my size 6 crocheting hook because in the test that really worked well for me. And so here we go. I'm gonna start here with the magic ring. And so for that, I'm gonna put the thread into my hand, wrap it around to the fingers and have this crossing here in front. And then I pull the thread through, take out the fingers, and then you have this nice little loop here. Then we're gonna start with some chain stitches. We're gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we wrap the thread around once and then go into the ring and do a half double crochet. Okay? And so 5 chain stitches and then a half double crochet. Then I'm gonna pull the magic ring closed. And so here now we have this first loop. That's what it looks like. Here's the thread, and you can see how nice the color fade actually is. It's a really cute wool, I think. And then we do another 5 chain stitches. That's how we start each row. 3, 4, and 5. And then we turn it around and go into this loop here, into the chain stitches of the row before, and do a single crochet into the loop of the chain stitches of the row before. Then we put away the ball of yarn. It's just a little easier for me like that. And then we do 1, 2, 3 chain stitches and do a half double crochet into the loop of the row before. With the 3 chain stitches here and the half double crochet, we have the same kind of length that we have with the 5 chain stitches. Okay, the half double crochet here equals 2 chain stitches plus 3 chain stitches equals 5 chain stitches basically. Yeah, and so you can see how cute the little colorful thread is and what the nice color fade is. So we start again with 5 chain stitches, turn it around, and then into the loop we do a single crochet. Then 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, and then a half double crochet into the next loop. Sorry, I mean a single stitch, single crochet. And so now we already have 2 of these little loops. And so we have 1 loop and then 2, and now here we are in row number 3, so we have 3, we're gonna have 3 loops. And so here we're gonna go and do number 3. So every row is gonna have as many loops as the number of the row. So now that we're in row number 3, we're gonna do 3 loops. So 3 chain stitches and then a half double crochet. So the ones in the middle here are 3 chain stitches and the ones on the outside are 5 chain stitches. And that's how we get the increasing side length. And so here again, we start with 5 chain stitches and then we turn it around. So by the way, this thread I think is really nice to crochet with. They stay together really well, and with the size of the hook, this is working like really well for me. Okay, so 3 chain stitches, then a single crochet, then another 3 chain stitches, then into the next loop. You can see I already did 3 here. And so I'm just going to do the last one here of the row. So that has 3 chain stitches and a half double crochet. So I'm going to show you here again row number 5. So we start again with 5 chain stitches. And number 5, wait 1 second. Here, I think I had the little thread wrapped around twice. Okay, here we go, number 5. Turn it around. And then we do a single crochet into the first loop. Then a single crochet, 3 chain stitches, another single crochet, 1, 2, 3, another single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chain stitches and another single crochet. And so here we are at the last one. Since we're now at the last loop of the row, we're going to do again 3 chain stitches and then a half double crochet. Okay. And so this is how nicely it just grows from the sides. I'm going to continue doing this a little while longer and then I'll show you an update. Okay, so here we are with the update. You can see I did quite a few more rows here and I have a lot of yarn left actually, so I'm going to continue doing this. But you can see the pattern really nicely and what it looks like. You can see when I stretch it here a little bit, you can see the structure really nicely. And yeah, I'm going to continue. Okay guys, so here we are at the end of the ball of the yarn and the scarf is with the one ball of yarn, maybe like a children's scarf. It's kind of small, maybe 70 to 80 centimeters on the long side. But it's a really, really nice structure. It's a great wool. It's very cozy. And I think it looks really, really cute with the little colorful Gimp thread. And yeah, maybe for a bigger scarf, I would do 3 to 4 balls of yarn and they're still cheap. So yeah, I really hope that you like this video. Please visit my channel and subscribe for free. And you'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. And see you next time.